Okay. I'm just gonna try and make it skip the gears. That time. Now to the left.
Skipping gears is when the thing just keeps jumping, right?
Are you getting the dashboard? Because I wanted to see the RPMs and the speed.
I'm trying, yeah. Your hand's in the way of a lot of it, but you know, that's where I'm aimed.
Full gas. Crawling. Smell anything?
Yeah. It's like burning rubber.
Yeah. It does smell like burning rubber.
Hey, I think we're really close to Jessica's house.
She lives in here?
Yeah.
It's a nice neighborhood.
Yeah. And they're really big houses. Jessica! See the dashboard at all, it's too bright or dark or whatever. There we go, now I can see it.
A lot of it's just a sound that I want to get on. But I haven't really gotten it to skip the gears.
Too bad it doesn't get small.
Skipped. No power when I hit the gas. Alright, you can turn it off.
Sure?
Yep. It's gonna get too long.